Hey guys, another special day, another special episode. Strawberries have always been associated with romance. Anniversaries, birthdays, Valentine's Day. Following that tradition, I thought, why not transform it to something a little more thoughtful, a little more romantic, just with a bit of extra effort. And we will only prepare 4 things, which I believe you are already familiar with how to make them. Chocolate cremo, vanilla pastry cream, strawberry gel, and French meringue. And when plating, we will need fresh strawberries, mint leaves, and pistachio crumbs. Okay, let's start with chocolate cremo. Soak the gelatin sheets in cold water. Place the heavy cream and espresso in a saucepan and heat until just below boiling, around 80-85 degrees Celsius. In the meantime, whisk egg yolks with sugar. When the cream is hot enough, remove from the heat and pour it over the egg yolk mixture, whisking continuously to temper. Then return this mixture to the saucepan and cook over low heat. Whisk constantly until the creamer reaches to 80-85 degrees again. And remove from heat, add in the gelatin and whisk until smooth. Pour this hot cream over the chocolates and let it melt for a minute. Then mix until smooth. Then add butter and salt. And cover it tightly with a cling wrap. Refrigerate overnight or at least 6 hours. When it is time to use, you can take it out from the fridge, whisk to loosen it up a bit to soften, and transfer into a piping bag. While it's in the fridge, we will make strawberry gel. Dice the strawberries and place them in a pot. Squeeze one orange. Add in the sugar. And cook gently, just until they are softened. Then blitz it and return it to the pot. Add the agar and bring it to a boil again. Then strain, cover, and refrigerate for a couple of hours. After it is completely set and firm, you can blitz and transfer into a sauce bottle or piping bag. Now the vanilla pastry cream. Heat the milk with vanilla. When it's about to boil, remove from heat, cover, and let the milk infuse the vanilla for about 30 minutes. Then return the milk on the stove again and heat it up. At the same time, whisk egg yolk with sugar and starch. Pour the hot milk into the egg mixture. Return the cream to the stove and cook over medium heat. Whisk continuously until it thickens and boils. And continue to whisk for about 2 minutes, even after boiling. Then add the butter and whisk for another minute. And transfer it into a bowl, cover and refrigerate. When it is time to use, briefly whisk and transfer into a piping bag. Lastly, the French meringue, also known as common meringue, which is simply made by whisking egg whites with sugar. Just before starting to whisk the egg whites, make sure your bowl is clean, grease-free and dry, and start whisking on a low speed. Increase the speed of your mixer gradually. When it's foamy, start adding the sugar in small amounts, not all of the sugar at once, and continue to whisk until stiff peaks form. Then divide the meringue into 2 portions. We will pipe one half as it is and color the other half pink to make shards. To color the meringue, I used beetroot powder here because I already had it on hand. But if you can dry some strawberries and make powder out of them, which is the same technique as beetroot powder, it would be best. Or you can just purchase some food coloring. We will make a paste out of the beetroot powder with lemon juice. Then mix this into the meringue. And when we have this pink meringue, we will spread it on the same tray around 2 mm thickness and dry these meringues in the oven at 90 degrees Celsius for about 2 hours. Okay, now we are ready to plate the dessert. I plated this dessert in 3 different ways. You can pick any of them, and actually you can let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Afiyet olsun. If you like this recipe, please like and share the video. Happy Valentine's Day to you all.